you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking vegan pizza from scratch. So I actually got this recipe from Carissa's Vegan Kitchen. So I never made dough from scratch, so I definitely needed a recipe. So here we have just some yeast and some warm water with brown sugar. And I'm just gonna give that a stir, mix it around, let everything get incorporated, and let that sit for 10 minutes until everything just starts looking foamy. And guys, this actually stinks. Like, it smells like old rotting food. But also, I'm going to leave the recipe down below, so check the description box. So here I am adding some grapeseed oil and some salt. You'll see in the next clip. So I'm just adding that mixture into a larger bowl just because, you know, we gotta add the flour and stuff. So I'm going to start adding in the flour, just small amounts at a time, not the entire thing. You wanna keep mixing it until it forms a cohesive ball. It will be a little bit sticky, but you should be able to, like, you know, pick it up. So here I am just kneading the dough. It looks like it was a lot of flour, but honestly, it was the perfect amount. All you need to do is keep working that dough in, and then you'll get something like this. And I was so pressed, y'all. Like, this is my first time making dough. So what I'm going to do is just oil up the bottom of that bowl and place that dough right back in there. And then I'm going to cover it up and allow the dough to rise. So I actually put the dough in the oven. The oven wasn't on, but I allowed the dough to rest for at least an hour. And then it got all fat and puffy, and I was like, oh my God, I need to punch it. So I am just kneading the dough once more. And I just made sure everything was smooth. And y'all, the dough was so stretchy. I was like, wow, this is cool. So now on to making the tomato sauce. I just took tomato sauce, black pepper, oregano, crushed pepper, tomato paste, onion powder, all of that good stuff. And I just mixed it up in a pot, y'all. Super simple, super easy. So now I'm going to oil up the pan. And I already preheated the oven to, I believe, 400 degrees. 450 degrees, y'all. And I just stretched out the dough. Clearly, I got a huge ass pizza pan, but it'll work regardless of what size your pizza pan is. I was trying my best to stretch it out, but I do like thick crust. I'm a bread girl, so I needed that crust to be nice and thick. So now I'm just adding the tomato sauce, and I'm brushing it on there nice and smooth. I don't like too much sauce, so yeah. Now we're going to prep the veggies, and I'm using all bell peppers. And I'm just gonna slice them into thin julienne slices. next I'm going to grab some fresh basil, and I'm gonna grab off a few leaves. Actually, I'm grabbing off hella leaves. Yeah, because I love basil on pizza. So I'm just going to wash them and get rid of those stems. Oh my God. How did I forget to put cheese? Oh my goodness. All right, guys, so if you all have been to and Pizza, they have this honey and it's called hot honey, and it's freaking amazing. So what I'm gonna do is grab a little dish and put some agave, because I don't have honey and I don't use honey, not for any particular reason. I really should get some honey. But anyways, let's use agave, some cayenne pepper, because we're gonna need a lot since I like spice. I think that's good. Then we're going to add some crushed red peppers. Oh, shoot, that's a lot. All right, and I'm gonna add a little bit more agave. And I'm going to pour this on top once the pizza is almost done cooking. Oh no, our pizza, it's burning. So let's check. It looks really yummy. So I have some, oh, I just dropped my incense. Anyways, I have some baby arugula that I am going to put on top, and then I'm gonna apply my hot honey. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my arugula. I am not really a pizza sauce type of girl, so I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese. I hope it melts, because you know, vegan cheese literally takes forever to melt. And then we're gonna take our arugula and sprinkle that on top. Yummy. Y'all, the bottom is super like crispy and it looks nice and golden, so I don't want to keep this in there for too long. And I am just going to pour that along the top. Look at her. Woo! Wow, she looks amazeballs. So I don't have a pizza cutter, but we're just gonna go ahead and this is a loaded ass pizza. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy more vegan recipes, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because more is coming. And y'all, this pizza was so delicious, like literally so bomb. Mmm.